In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life. Many people find themselves overwhelmed with the demands of work, family, and other responsibilities, leaving little time for rest and relaxation. Simplifying your life is an effective way to reduce stress. Firstly, simplifying your life can reduce stress. When there are too many things to do, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and anxious. By simplifying your life, you can eliminate unnecessary tasks and focus on what's important. Secondly, simplifying your life can increase productivity. When you have fewer things to do, you can focus more on the tasks that matter. This can help you to be more productive and achieve your goals more efficiently. By simplifying your life, you can also create more time for rest and relaxation. Thirdly, simplifying your life can improve your physical health. When you have fewer things to do, you can create more time for exercise, healthy eating, and other self-care activities. Fourthly, simplifying your life can improve your relationships. When you have more time for yourself and others, you can build stronger and more meaningful relationships. Fifthly, take breaks. Rest and relaxation are essential for reducing stress and improving productivity. Take breaks throughout the day to recharge and refocus. Sixthly, disconnect from technology. Technology can be a great tool, but it can also be a source of distraction and stress. Consider disconnecting from technology for a set period each day, such as during meal times or before bed. Seventhly, simplify your wardrobe. Having fewer clothes that you love and wear frequently can simplify your morning routine and make getting dressed easier. So how can you simplify your life? Here are 4 more tips. 1. Declutter your space. Getting rid of things you don't need or use can create more physical and mental space, making it easier to focus on what's important. 2. Prioritize your tasks. Focus on the tasks that are most important and eliminate or delegate tasks that are not essential. 3. Learn to say no. Saying no to requests or activities that are not important or do not align with your goals can help you to create more time for what matters. 4. Create routines. Creating routines for tasks such as meal planning, exercise, and self-care can help you to stay organized and reduce decision fatigue. By following these tips and incorporating other strategies that work for you, you can simplify your life and create more time and space for the things that bring you joy and fulfillment. In conclusion, simplifying your life can have many benefits, including reducing stress, increasing productivity, improving physical health, and enhancing relationships. By decluttering your space, prioritizing your tasks, learning to say no, creating routines, and taking breaks, you can simplify your life and achieve greater well-being. Simplifying your life is a process, so be patient and kind to yourself as you make changes. Remember that the goal is not perfection, but rather finding a balance that works for you. We all have habits that make us who we are, but sometimes, these habits can be detrimental to our health, relationships, or even our success. Here are some of the habits you need to stop immediately if you want to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Procrastination. Procrastination is the habit of delaying or postponing tasks, and it can have a significant impact on our lives. Whether it's putting off an important project at work or delaying a doctor's appointment, procrastination can lead to stress, anxiety, and missed opportunities. To stop procrastinating, try breaking down your tasks into smaller, more manageable steps, and reward yourself for completing each one. Negative self-talk. Negative self-talk is the habit of criticizing or belittling yourself, and it can have a profound impact on your self-esteem and mental health. To stop negative self-talk, try replacing negative thoughts with positive ones. Practice self-compassion, and remind yourself of your strengths and accomplishments. Mindless eating. Mindless eating is the habit of eating without paying attention to what or how much you are eating. This can lead to overeating, weight gain, and other health problems. To stop mindless eating, try eating slowly, chewing your food thoroughly, and being mindful of your hunger and fullness cues. Excessive social media use. Social media can be a great way to stay connected with friends and family, but it can also be a time-consuming and addictive habit. To stop excessive social media use, try setting limits on your usage, taking breaks from social media, and finding other ways to connect with people, such as phone calls or in-person conversations. Multitasking. Multitasking is the habit of trying to do multiple things at once, and it can lead to decreased productivity, increased stress, and lower quality work. To stop multitasking, try focusing on one task at a time, eliminating distractions, and prioritizing your most important tasks. Neglecting self-care. Neglecting self-care is the habit of putting others' needs before your own, which can lead to burnout and other health problems. To stop neglecting self-care, try making time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation, such as exercise, meditation, or hobbies. Blaming others. Blaming others is the habit of placing responsibility for your problems or mistakes on someone else, and it can lead to strained relationships and a victim mentality. Stop blaming others, take responsibility for your actions, practice forgiveness, and communicate openly and honestly with others. There are many reasons why we may need to stop certain habits. Here are a few. Negative impact on health. Some habits, such as smoking, excessive drinking, or overeating, can have a significant negative impact on our physical health, leading to conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, or cancer. Negative impact on mental health. Habits such as negative self-talk, procrastination, or excessive social media use can lead to increased stress, anxiety, and depression, affecting our mental health and overall well-being. Negative impact on relationships. Habits such as blaming others or neglecting self-care can strain our relationships with friends, family, and coworkers, leading to feelings of isolation, resentment, and conflict. Negative impact on productivity and success. Habits such as multitasking or procrastination can decrease our productivity, hinder our ability to achieve our goals, and ultimately limit our success in life. Breaking these habits may not be easy, but it is essential if you want to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. By identifying and addressing these negative habits, you can start creating a more positive and meaningful future for yourself.
Here are some easy ways to be healthier. It's about taking care of your overall well-being, which includes mental and emotional health as well. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine to help you feel healthier and happier. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is important for overall health. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day, and more if you're active or in a hot climate. Move more. Physical activity is important for maintaining a healthy weight, improving mood, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Find ways to move more throughout the day, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a walk during your lunch break. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Aim to eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can impact your mood, energy levels, and overall health. Aim to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Manage stress. Chronic stress can impact your physical and mental health. Find ways to manage stress, such as practicing yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands regularly, cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing, and avoid touching your face to prevent the spread of germs. Limit processed and junk foods. Processed and junk foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Limit your intake of these foods and opt for whole, unprocessed foods instead. Practice portion control. Pay attention to the amount of food you're eating at each meal and aim to eat until you're satisfied, not stuffed. Use smaller plates and bowls to help you eat smaller portions. Take breaks from sitting. Sitting for long periods of time can be detrimental to your health. Take breaks to stand up and stretch or take a short walk every hour. Cut back on sugar. Too much sugar can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Limit your intake of sugary drinks and desserts, and choose healthier options like fruit or dark chocolate instead. Get outside. Spending time outdoors has been shown to improve mood, reduce stress, and boost vitamin D levels. Aim to spend at least 30 minutes outside each day. Practice gratitude. Cultivating a sense of gratitude has been shown to improve mental health and overall well-being. Take a few minutes each day to think about things you're grateful for. Connect with others. Social connections are important for mental health and can help reduce stress. Make time to connect with friends and family, even if it's just a phone call or text message. Laugh more. Laughter has been shown to reduce stress and improve mood. Watch a funny movie or TV show, or spend time with friends who make you laugh. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your food while you eat and avoid distractions like watching TV or working. Keep healthy snacks on hand. Stock your pantry and fridge with healthy snacks like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. This will help you avoid reaching for unhealthy snacks when you're hungry. Find an exercise you enjoy. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or yoga, and make it a regular part of your routine. Try new things. Trying new things can help keep your brain active and improve your mood. Make time for activities that help you relax and de-stress, like reading, taking a bath, or practicing meditation. Remember, it's important to make small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle to improve your overall health. Start with 1 or 2 of these tips and gradually add more as you feel comfortable.